guys, welcome to Motovlog number 28 or 29, I'm not sure. I've actually just come back from Jim Corbett 2 days ago, and I haven't got the time to edit the Jim Corbett vlog, which should be 27. So this is not a typical Sunday ride. Today is Wednesday, 15 November. A few of us decided last evening to go for a ride to Murthal, paranthas, jalebi. So that's how it is, and that's what it is. We are on our way to Murthal. I have Raman in front of me, and Buffy's on his K1600 GTL ahead of us. The three of us will be meeting the entire group at the GT Karnal bypass, and we will head to Murthal. We were blessed with good rain just before Diwali, which helped drastically in bringing down the AQI level from I don't know how many hundreds. We were close to 1,000 maybe in certain areas of Delhi, and the AQI level came down to about 100, 150 in a lot of areas of Delhi that time. And then of course the so-called intelligent people, in fact a lot of people I know who were against burning firecrackers and who were harping about AQI levels and professing their thoughts, ended up burning firecrackers on Diwali, and not one, not two, but many. And I think Buffy's taken the wrong... Okay, sorry, gonna pause here. So I just kept blindly following Buffy, and Buffy took the wrong road. And one more thing I'm going to add on the whole AQI rant. So there are a lot of YouTubers, a few of them who I don't, maybe I follow them, there's some of them I don't follow, but I kind of happen to watch their videos. They're famous YouTubers, established YouTubers, and they've also been harping about AQI level and stuff, and then I see the same YouTubers post their videos on social media, on YouTube, on Instagram, showing that they've bought a stash of firecrackers worth thousands of rupees, going into lakhs, and then burning all those firecrackers down. You guys are catering to the masses. Now, best would be to send out a good, healthy message rather than something that kind of, you're encouraging people. Now, whether you're doing it negatively or positively, that is for everyone else to decide. But I feel, I know why cringe and crass sells a lot on social media, and I see a lot of massive views on social media of influencers doing a lot of crass and cringe stuff. Now, is that what the masses enjoy? And are we twisted, or is that a vent for a lot of people who can't do a lot of shit in life, and they kind of live their lives vicariously through while watching these videos? It's strange. We've reached the meeting point. I think there are going to be large numbers today. I don't see many. I think everybody's late. Winter's kind of setting in, so everybody's getting lazy now. I know.
Beautiful, huh?
Beautiful with a lot of... Huh? lot of smog though. Lot of fog, smog. Yeah. Such culture ki haal ji. Hi Shekhar, how are you? Hi sir, how are you ji? How are you? क्या नहीं यश, बड़ी देर बाद यार, तो कितने बजे आ गया था? 5 बजे पहुंच गया होगा. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Very well, ji. All well, sir, all well. Good morning, Mr. Lal. Finally, we're rolling on our way to Murthal Gulshan Dhaba. Mr. Lal is getting ready. morning's quite chilly. I was in two minds whether I should wear a jacket with a line or should I stick to the mesh jacket or the summer jacket. I think my decision was maybe a little wrong because it is chilly. Though I did decide in the morning to wear a thermal underneath my shirt. So we've reached Gulshan Dhaba for Becky. So guys, we're inside Gulshan Dhaba now. The boys are sitting at the far end. How do I turn the camera around? Let me check. The boys are there. So all the boys are sitting together. For breakfast. So we're all getting up to photo shoot. So we finished our breakfast at Gulshan Dhaba Murthal on our way back now. Sid Sethi, Anuj Sani, Nishu, Sid Lal. Time to head back home. So that's Zoeb on his fire blade and Raman's ahead of Zoeb. So the three of us have been riding together since we left Gulshan. It's been about almost half an hour. And I really like the fact that I like it when a few riders, you know, maybe 2, 3, or a small group, know their riding style and ride together. It feels very comfortable riding at such speeds on the highway. It's like we've got common mannerism while riding, and it makes riding a lot more fun and a lot more comfortable rather than just zipping around trying to overtake one another. And you respect each other's position. Now Raman's ahead, Zoeb's in green, I'm behind. Now if these guys slow down, I will slow down as well. I'm in no hurry to overtake them and beat them. I'm not chasing them. So this is fun. This is something. Okay, that's a new guy. I know who that is. He's come for the first time today. So now that kind of rider is a typical rider who's very excited. It's one of his first time in the group. He wants to kind of overtake everyone. He wants to show off his riding skills and the fact that he can ride a lot faster. But then group riding is not about riding fast or beating each other to the finish line. We're out to have fun and we're having fun now. That's what riding is. Okay, general time. Okay, bye. We've reached back where we started in the morning, the meeting point. This is where we head back home, part our ways. Half of them will go straight. We'll go left towards our Delhi. See you. See you.
You're going from the left or the right?
Left. See you. Left are you, no? You're going left or straight?
Right.
Oh, you're going right. So the rides come to an end. I am near Motovlog now. Buffy and Ramana ahead of me. They will carry on towards Sainik Farm in Chhatarpur, and I should head back home. It was a good ride. It was fun. Lot of traffic weekday on the way back, but the weather's still so cool and so nice. Looking forward to future rides. I'm not sure if I'm going to be riding in the next few Sundays. I'll try if I can wake up in the morning. See you, Buffy. See you, Raman. Not sure if I'll be riding the coming few weekends, but I'll see if I can manage maybe on a Saturday or a Sunday. Whenever it is, I will switch the camera back on and shall record. But see you. Hopefully I should be out with the Jim Corbett vlog by the end of the week, by the weekend, and this one obviously will come thereafter. But thank you guys for tuning in. Lovely chatting up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.